Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're excited to introduce you to the best floor stand for your iPad, the mounted Anti-Theft Universal Tablet Floor Stand Kiosk. Whether you're seeking a practical solution for presentations, trade shows, retail environments, or simply want a stylish stand for your home, this floor stand is designed to meet all those needs and more. Let's dive into the features that make this product stand out in a crowded market. First and foremost, the mounted tablet kiosk boasts a sturdy build, ensuring your device remains secure and stable while in use. Constructed with high-quality materials, this stand is designed for longevity, making it an excellent investment for both commercial and personal use. One of the key features of this kiosk is its height adjustability. With a range that suits users of different heights and varying applications, the mounted stand allows you to customize it to your preferred viewing angle. Whether you're sitting or standing, you can effortlessly adjust the height, making it perfect for various environments, from a cafe displaying your menu to an event showcasing your products. Safety is also a major concern, especially in public settings. What sets this stand apart is its anti-theft design. The locking tablet mount provides peace of mind, allowing you to display your iPad securely without fear of theft. The mounted kiosk is designed to hold a range of tablets from devices like the iPad to Galaxy tablets and Surface Go. If you own a tablet between 7.9 inches and 10.9 inches, this stand has you covered. This versatility means that you won't have to invest in a different stand every time you upgrade your device. Ease of use is another major plus for the mounted Anti-Theft Universal Tablet Floor Stand. With a simple assembly process and a user-friendly interface, this kiosk allows for quick and hassle-free setup. Within minutes, you'll be ready to showcase your tablet, whether it's for a business presentation or an information station at an event. The swivel and tilt features offer even more flexibility. You can easily adjust the screen to accommodate multiple viewers, or to achieve the best angle, whether you're presenting or just browsing the web. This dynamic functionality enhances the overall experience and usability of the stand. So to wrap it all up, the mounted Anti-Theft Universal Tablet Floor Stand Kiosk is an exceptional choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile tablet stand. With its robust design, adjustable height, anti-theft security features, and compatibility with a variety of tablets, it offers tremendous value for both businesses and individuals. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're looking for a seamless way to display your tablet while ensuring its safety, this is the product for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights and reviews. Until next time, take care.